another episode of the Big Dawg079 Cooks. Today we're doing things a little differently. Obviously, because of the cast situation, we decided to do some prep work. So a lot of the things that we typically do and show you guys has already been pre-prepped already. And I just wanted to tune in earlier than usual and just let you know that things will be different today. Hence this situation. So what's on the menu for today? On the menu today is fried catfish fillets, coleslaw, Hushpuppies, macaroni and cheese. You already know how we do it, y'all. So I'm gonna get up out of here, check on my situations, and get back at y'all. What's up? We back, y'all. So I'm gonna show y'all what we got going on. I told y'all we prepped everything already. So up in here we got the catfish fillets. They've been soaking in the seasoning and marinade. It's in this Louisiana style. So I do everything like down south. So this Louisiana style batter that's on there, and we just got that prepping right there. And this the hush puppy batter right here. Just put that situation together. So right now I'm just really waiting on the oils and everything to heat up, and then we're gonna go in there. We got the macaroni and cheese. This is the kind of macaroni my grandma used to use, cremette macaroni. So we got that, and we're going hard, people. Like, it's not a fucking game. We're going hard. You know what I'm saying? It's Velveeta. It's gold everywhere. All gold, everything, baby. Oh, look at your boy. And we up out of here, man. We'll be back. Peace. What up, everybody? It's your boy, Big Dawg079. And guess what? We done. Yeah, we done. Come here. It's that macaroni. This that real deal. This ain't that other. This that real deal. It's that cheesy, easy. Get it right there. You know what I'm saying? And catfish fillets on a beat. You feel what I'm saying? My fish got a little messed up because it broke a little bit, but it's still smacking though. Then hush, puppy. Hush. You see what I'm saying? Yeah. Lest we not forget our coleslaw though. In case you thought we forgot. Yeah. It's your boy. It's your motherfucking boy. And he did it again. So thank y'all for joining me today. I hope y'all learned something. I hope it spiced your appetite to go try this out for yourself. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, I'm definitely going to need you to hit that little button in the corner and then ring that little bell for your boy. If you already subscribed, I definitely appreciate your support and all of your good energy that's coming my way. Let's keep this thing going, man. Big Dawg079 Cooks, and we up out of here.